Welcome to your one-stop investment guide on how to invest on the moomoo app. I'm Olivia Higgins. This episode is about using fundamental analysis as a method to guide you on your personal investment journey. Open your moomoo app, choose a company you'd like to track, click on Company, click on Profile. Here you get an overview of the chosen company's sectors, the shareholders' holdings over a period of time, corporate actions, and the company's executives. All components are updated in real time and to their latest revelations. Next, choose Company Valuation. This indicator may be helpful for you to track performance using historical distribution tools with the ability to compare companies' PE, PB, or PS ratios to find out which model formula is most suitable for your personal strategy. Under Comparison, you can use this Stock Compare tool to make a comparison with other companies. Another tool you might want to consider, especially when you first apply the FA method, is analyzing a company's profile information as a good starting point. Once you have a basic understanding of a company's background, you would probably be interested in getting some insights about its operating track records. Go back to the Company tab, click on the Financials tab, and you'll see that this tool will give you an overview of the company's financial performance. On the left-hand side here, click on this Date tab to adjust your time frame for your personal research. Stay on the Financials tab. Another indicator to consider for FA is when you scroll down and see statements. You keep scrolling and you'll get the full visualized financial statements, calculated financial ratios, and indicators which give you an in-depth understanding of the company's past performance. The chart of financial statements will give you an overview. Now, this depends on what you're prioritizing as part of your strategy. So you can click on these tabs accordingly, such as ROE or Quick Ratio under Financial Indicators to see which details you like to see more of. These information tabs here are to guide you in case you'd like to learn the definition of the tool you're about to employ. As you scroll down, you'll see more helpful tools to help you in FA, such as revenue breakdown. Now over here, you can adjust and choose between business and regions. Scroll further, you'll see income statement. Here, you can adjust between revenue, operating profit, and net income, as well as the time frame according to which data you like to analyze for your current strategy. Next up, the balance sheet category. This graph will give you an overview of the assets, liabilities, and ratio quarterly so you can assess and do your own comparisons. Lastly, for cash flow statement, the CFO, CFI, and CFF indicators are available for you to adjust and assess as well. Click on the arrow on the corner for more details about each section. Need more information and educational tools for FA? Go back up to Financial Estimates, which offers you some institutional investors' ratings based on a group of analysts and actual versus predicted valuations of your chosen company. FA might be known to be associated with and preferred by long-term investors as it evaluates all the components that make up a company or stock to determine its intrinsic value. We care for your financial well-being, so follow us. For more videos like these, remember to like and subscribe. Let's get to work. Have a profitable day.